So hello everyone, this is Nikunj and you are welcome to my channel Puzzles with Nick. So first things first, I'm back at my college and we have a beautiful campus around here at IIT Kharagpur. So comment down below if you have any interest in seeing the campus that we have here and make some videos for that. So let's get started with the puzzle, and we have a really interesting puzzle for today. This puzzle has a bit long story, but the puzzle is really interesting and it's also one of the most common puzzles that is asked in interviews. So this is the puzzle. It's called Blue and Red Caps, as you must have seen in the thumbnail. So here it goes. So in a room, we have 3 blue caps and 2 red caps. Alright. Now we have 3 smart persons. We should mention, as you can see, we have Einstein, Newton and Hawking. So here is the story. The 3 smart people, they enter the room blindfolded, so they cannot see anything, and they put 1 cap each on their heads and they come out. Now after coming out, Hawking and Newton remove their blindfolds. So now they have removed their blindfolds. So both of them, Hawking and Newton, they can see the color of the other 2 persons' caps. They cannot see the color of their own cap, but they can see the color of the other 2 persons' caps. So Hawking now says that I cannot determine the color of my cap. Newton hears this, and he then says that he cannot determine his either. Hearing them both, Einstein, who is still wearing his blindfold, he says that he knows the color of his cap. So mind it that Einstein hasn't seen anything yet. He just went into the room, put on 1 cap at random, and he heard both of them talking. Hawking said that he cannot determine the color of his cap, and Newton heard this and said the same thing, that he cannot determine the color of his cap. Einstein, Einstein with such little information, knows the color of his cap. And this is a puzzle. We have to determine what color is Einstein's cap. So you can read this story and you can think about the solution. And I'm moving to the solution. So we can analyze both the cases where Einstein is wearing a red cap and Einstein is wearing a blue cap, and let's see if we can come to some conclusion. So let's analyze this case first, where Einstein was wearing a red cap. So here we have 3 people, Newton, Einstein and Hawking. So in this case that we are considering, Einstein is wearing a red cap. Now the orientation of Newton and Hawking can be any of these, right? They can be wearing a red cap and a blue cap, or a blue cap and a red cap, or a blue cap and a blue cap. Mind it that both of them cannot be wearing a red cap, because as we mentioned earlier, we had only 2 red caps available with us and 3 blue caps. So since Einstein is wearing one of the 2 red caps, we have only 1 red cap available now. So only one of them can be wearing a red cap, or both of them can be wearing blue caps each. So let's analyze each case one by one. So firstly, if any of these were the case, like if suppose Newton was wearing a red cap and Hawking was wearing a blue cap. So when Hawking opened his blindfold, what will he see? He will see that Newton and Einstein both are wearing red caps each. So now will he say this sentence that he cannot determine the color of his cap? No, right? Because he knows that we have 2 red caps in total and 3 blue caps. So since both of them are wearing a red cap each, he has to be wearing a blue cap, right? He opened his blindfold. Let me repeat this. He opened his blindfold and he saw that both of them are wearing a red cap each. And since there are only 2 red caps in total, so he has to be wearing a blue cap. So he knows the color of his cap and he won't say this in that case. And similarly, so we eradicate this case. Now similarly, if Hawking was wearing a blue cap, Hawking was wearing a red cap and Newton was wearing a blue cap, almost similar, it's the almost similar situation. And now Newton won't say this, that he cannot determine the color of his cap, because when Newton will open his blindfold. He'll see that both of them are wearing a red cap. So he'll just make out that he himself is wearing a blue cap. So this case won't be true either. Now we are left with one case. What if both of them were wearing a blue cap? So if Hawking was wearing a blue cap and Newton was wearing a blue cap as well. So now this case is interesting. So Hawking opened his eyes and he saw that Newton is wearing a blue cap but Einstein is wearing a red cap. So now he can easily say this sentence that he cannot determine the color of his cap, and he will say this. So Hawking could not determine the color of his cap, and now Newton heard this. So this is the important thing in this puzzle, that Newton hears Hawking say that he cannot determine the color of his cap, and Newton is also seeing that Einstein is wearing a red cap and Hawking is wearing a blue cap, and he heard that Hawking cannot determine the color of his cap. So will now Newton say this sentence that he cannot determine the color of his cap? Let me tell you, let me give you more hint. So Newton knows that there are only 2 red caps in total, and Newton knows that Hawking is smart. So if Hawking would have seen a red cap on Newton's head, then he would have known the color of his own cap, right? Because Einstein is wearing a red cap. And now if Newton was wearing a red cap as well, Hawking would see this and tell everyone that he can determine the color of his cap. But he told that he cannot determine the color of his cap. So this means that Newton is not wearing a red cap. This is the only possible solution. This is the only possible reason why Hawking will say that he cannot determine the color of his cap. Because if he was wearing a red cap, Hawking would say that he can determine the color of his own cap. But now since he said that he cannot, then Newton infers from this that he is wearing a blue cap. And now in this orientation, this will happen, but this will not happen. Newton, after hearing Hawking say that he cannot determine the color of his cap, he won't say that he cannot determine the color of his cap, because he can determine. He now knows that Hawking could not determine the color of his cap and Einstein is wearing a red cap. So Newton himself has to be wearing a blue cap, right? So we eradicate this case as well. And since we have eradicated all the cases of red cap, so Einstein has to be wearing a blue cap. So that was it for this puzzle. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share and subscribe if you did.